This is Randy with Schulenburg Realty. The real estate market is still really hot right now, and that's the reason why a lot of my clients are starting to look at properties where they can do a 203K renovation loan. So here's a property that we're in now, and we're going to take a look at this and see if it makes sense. These are obviously not the prettiest homes, but the renovation loan is designed to take a home like this, bring in the contractor and tell them exactly what you want to do to the property and build that into the cost of the loan. I'll have a video linked to this that you can pull up so you can educate yourself through that video with one of our experts in the renovation loan department. And if you or somebody you know is having a hard time finding a property and wants to take on a project, let me know. You can reach me at 224-805-2616. So this home definitely won't qualify today for the prettiest home on the market or in the neighborhood, but after a renovation loan is completed on a property like this, uh, it'll be like it's brand new based on how the contractor and the new owner decides to do it. So again, if you're in the market, you're looking to buy or sell real estate, give me a call, 224-805-2616.